QR codes let a pop-up drink stand take orders and payments fast without needing a cash register or a big point-of-sale system, turning a phone screen into an entire checkout counter. Think of a QR code like a tiny treasure map that a phone can read instantly. When a customer scans the code taped to your stand, it opens a menu, a payment link, or even a loyalty page, all without them typing anything in. This means your pop-up stand can accept credit cards, Apple Pay, and other digital payments without you buying an expensive card reader. Something a lot of people do not realize is that you can create a different QR code for different purposes, like one for the menu, one for leaving a tip, and one for joining an email list for discounts. This lets a tiny stand run like a much bigger business with almost zero cost. You can even track how many people scan each code using free tools online, which tells you what times of day are busiest. That information helps you decide when to open your stand and when to restock supplies. One common mistake is making the QR code too small or placing it somewhere with bad lighting, which makes it hard for phones to scan. Keep it large, at eye level, and print it in bold, high-contrast colors. Another issue is forgetting to test the link before opening for the day, since menu prices or availability can change overnight. Always do a quick scan test yourself each morning before your first customer walks up. Lastly, some stands use one QR code for everything, which confuses customers about where to pay versus where to see the menu. Label each code clearly with simple words like "order here" or "tip here," so there is no guessing involved. If you enjoyed this, check out our online directories in the description below.